Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do a mukbang, and I'm going to do a chicken dipper mukbang. That sounds weird. With some fresh vegetables here. I don't like this lighting, I'm looking weird. So let's get tucked in. So these are just chicken nuggets. So good. Then I have these little mini peppers, and they're really, really nice. They're kind of sweet and juicy. And then to drink, I've got some Diet Coke. So, I hope everyone's okay. I've got mayo here as well. So nice. Oh. I always burp so much with Diet Coke. Is that better? You can see me better now, can't you? These are so good. Can you see the food properly? Cucumber. I love having something fresh with everything I eat. So what do we think of my hair, guys, as well? It's very kind of grey, isn't it? I love it. I love it. I think I put way too much sauce here. I'm really glad you're all enjoying my mukbangs. The Subway one I did was so good. Really enjoyed it. Sweet pepper. It was so good. I was so hungry that day. I hadn't eaten anything. Oh, I'm feeling full. Very filling that, because these were, I've actually cooked 24. And how many have I got left? 18? Something like that. think that's the problem when you're so hungry. You get full so fast. I love these. So good. Please let me know, guys. What would you like me to eat next? I love suggestions. What am I thinking of next? Pizza Hut. No, have I done Pizza Hut before? No, I haven't. Sorry I'm not very talkative today, guys. I'm just feeling very, what's the word? Melancholy? Is that a word? Sounds weird, that. Somber. I don't know why, I'm just feeling a bit, I don't know. I'm gonna have a couple more and then I'm done. I'm getting really, really full. I don't know how people can eat everything on when they do mukbangs. One more. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. And let me know what you want to see me eat next. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.